Hey guys, Slender Enderman here, and today we are playing White Noise, and this game is, I'm not gonna lie, we... Oh, it's a green pickle! Oh god. Alright. The bad part is, dude, I'm doing this all on solo. There's one. If my beautiful girlfriend is watching this, and if you hear me scream, yeah, that, I'd like to see, I mean, you may be braver than me, but that would be actually, like, really sad, but, you know, it happens. That was freaking creepy. Oh my god! Son of a bitch! Oh my god! Damn it! Oh my god! It only took one sighting of the damn thing to kill me. Dear Lord, alright, well then, that video didn't last very long, so... God, I don't want to play this game, but this time we'll actually play online, quick join. And, anyway, excuse me, my bad. There we go. And, oh crap, it's on Nightmare. I'm just, checking there. Okay, guys, so, here we are. Hang on. No, no. Cody. I think I'm gonna cry. Pickle! We didn't find any tape recorders and we only lasted a freaking minute because everyone wanted to abandon me. Anyway guys, that is the end of White Noise, I guess. And hope you guys enjoyed this short little video.